Now, I've previously reviewed this Bosch IXO cordless screwdriver. It's really good. I like the variable speed on this particular model. It's nice and compact and has worked really well. Check out my review of that one if you're interested. I did get the torque adapter. Really haven't used that very much, but what I did get recently was the drill attachment, and that has actually been really good. It saves you from having to get the big drill out if you're doing some small DIY projects. Obviously, it can't drill into masonry and that kind of thing, but for a bit of crafting, any kind of light DIY, then this is actually quite neat. So let's take a look, see what it comes with, and see how to attach it onto the screwdriver. So I actually bought this second-hand off of eBay for £17. You can get them on Amazon for about 25 new. So you get a couple of things in there. There's a small manual, not bother with that. You get 3 drill attachments, and this is the adapter. So sort of slightly offset, which is an interesting design, but there's a mechanism in there to drive the drill at a faster rate than the screwdriver goes. So we take a look at the drill bits. So they kind of use this hex bolt design. All of the screwdriver bits are very similar, but this attaches in by moving that collar forwards, and then they go in and then it locks into place and you can't remove them. And that's useful because when you're drilling into something, there's usually a bit of pullback as you finish drilling the hole and you pull the thing out. That would pull the drill bit out of the socket if there wasn't this special collar. So that's quite a nice design. So how you attach it is to pull it off the front section here. There you go, and then on it goes. Try and line it up with the body so it goes in a straight line there, and there we go. Twist to unlock and it just pops straight off. So very quick and easy, and then off it goes. So with the collar, just hold it like that, pop it in, and off we go. So you're probably wondering why you can't just put one of the drill attachments into the screwdriver. And you kind of could, but the adapter actually does a 2 times speed. So there's some kind of cog arrangement inside there that speeds up the rotation by 2 times. And we can see that in the slow-mo that I did. So you'll see on your screen one where we're using just the drill without the adapter. And then on the other side, you can see it with the adapter. And by looking at that, we can see that it's rotating just about 2 times as fast. So there is an advantage of using the adapter. Now, when I was using this with a piece of wood, using the adapter, it went through fine. There is a slight wobble on these attachments. I don't know if it's the drill bit itself or the adapter, but it went through fine. And then I took the adapter off and used the drill bit as is with the screwdriver, and it really made a meal of it. It was difficult to get it through and took quite some time. Now it was possible, it just wasn't as easy. So overall, I would actually recommend this attachment. I have found it a lot more useful than the torque adapter that I bought. I've hardly used this at all, but I have used the drill adapter and I found it really good for a little bit of light DIY. I hope you found this useful. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.